What's going on, guys? In this video we got a Hyundai Elantra 2017 and we're gonna install some Demonize by Lightz. Very simple to open up, just heat it up in the oven and take it apart. It's only held by tabs. Look how clean the lens looks here. So check it out. We're gonna disassemble the lens and everything that's inside. Very easy to do, and also we're gonna take off the inner turn signal. Now, dechroming is the first step. This is what I do before a blackout, but as you can see, everything is black underneath, so I wouldn't even need to paint anything. Look how clean that looks. Alright, going back to inside the housing, we gotta remove the projector and the shroud over here. Very simple, and then we disassemble everything. Make sure you get the lens off and keep it safe. Now we can actually put the Demonize on. Now it's very simple. As you can see, I use some 3M tape, and this thing ain't going nowhere. Look at that, I'm just pushing onto it. Here's a little test run of it, and check it out. The reflector tape actually does help. So highly recommend that. Now, put the lens back on, because that's how the project came with, and check this out. Look how crisp this is. This is, by the way, a clear lens, so if you guys want to etch it, I would do that. And now look at that. We got it back inside the housing, looking good. And here is our blacked out treatment just by dechroming. Crazy. And that little silver lining on this, that came off, just looks absolutely stunning. Check it out, sleek look, turn signals, black housing inside. Now you just want to reassemble everything together and you get something like this. One thing I should have done was black out the amber here. Oh well. And geez, look at this. This is sleek. This is work right here, my friends. After that, just give the headlight a nice cleanup treatment and you got yourself some nice Demonize by Lightz. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up on Instagram if you want custom headlights like this. Peace!